So we come to Lincoln Tech because we hear that Lincoln Tech has the best students and the best talent. So that's why we're here today.
We're here today to find qualified talent graduating from Lincoln Tech or potentially in Lincoln Tech to hopefully place at our various healthcare clients here in New Jersey. I've always had a good experience with them. I started coming to these events about 5-6 years ago. Excited to be back. Anytime they put out an event, I always want to make sure we're here. They do a great job.
You know, we always love to come around to the career fairs. We always have Lincoln Tech come to our community when we always have job fairs. So, you know, working hand in hand with Lincoln Tech, it's a great relationship that we have.
Given Lincoln Tech primarily because we have some of our staff, our students here, and we've noticed the way they've graduated, and Lincoln Tech we've done phenomenal with them. We've had them in our building in the past doing clinical rounds, and we've seen great results from Lincoln Tech specifically, so we're here at Lincoln Tech.
We've had great success. We've had interns, and you know, most of our employees are at least come to us and start from Lincoln Tech. I know one of our longest employees is from Lincoln Tech, and they do great work, so we end up with great candidates.
Well, Lincoln Tech has excellent candidates, excellent students, whether they're medical assistant students, LPN students, PCT students. I actually just spoke with a medical assistant student who's going to be interning with us starting next month. So really exciting, and we're happy to have him, and we're happy to be at Lincoln Tech.
We have such an amazing partnership with Lincoln Tech and with Jocelyn Matthews. I have to tell you that we do an accelerated hiring process. So we will take your nursing students right out of school. We will put them through our training. We will put them through our own clinical rotations. We will allow them to shadow patients hands off. We will do all of their paperwork prior to them even sitting for their board. So that way the minute that they pass, we can put them out in the field and ready to go.
Well, we came to Lincoln Tech because now we are onboarding LPNs into the staffing unit, and we know the reputation that Lincoln Tech has. And through Jennifer, who's worked with us so very well in the past, we now know that this is where we can get the best teammate to build into our center to care for our patients.
Over the years working with Lincoln Tech, I found our students to be really well prepared, asking the right questions, eager to learn, and a huge asset in the workforce in general. So thank you, Lincoln Tech, for setting this up, and thank you for our continued partnership. Looking forward to many more years of successful collaboration with an awesome school.
Well, I've been coming to Lincoln Tech for the past 10 years, looking for technicians, and we hire a lot of techs, a lot of good, successful technicians from Lincoln Tech, and that's why I'm here every year.
Lincoln Tech's, they create a lot of students with a very good skill set for learning new technologies, right? So you get into the basics of IT, and then you can come onto a company like ours, which is very unique, and teach you new and unique technologies very quickly.
We deal with a lot of different schools. We do attend a couple of different career fairs, but I've built such a great relationship here with this specific Lincoln Tech, and I think this is probably the best route that we can take.